Greetings, students. This is Erin Barnett, Program Coordinator for the Innovation Track program, and this video is going to give you some basic information about the Innovation Track program and talk about some benefits of participating in the program. So quick facts, this is an off-campus program, so our students that participate do travel out to the Metropolitan Community College Longview campus here in Lee Summit and take classes. Students are eligible to drive themselves, but also district transportation is provided for those students who either don't have transportation or don't want to use their own gas. You could take a bus. As another benefit, flexible scheduling. This is something that our students really enjoy. You could be a part-time as little as one class up to taking your full schedule out on the campus. So as many as 15 college credit hours, which is about the equivalent of 5 college classes. Major benefit is tuition savings, and keep in mind that classes you take through this program count for both high school and college credit, also known as dual credit. It's $53.50 per credit hour, so one class will cost students $160.50. Just to give you a cost comparison, let's say you decide you're going to take college algebra at MCC Longview. If you go to Mizzou, for example, and take that exact same class, Mizzou, last time I looked, it was $199 per credit hour, so the same class would cost you nearly $600. So that just gives you an idea of how much money you could save participating in a program like Innovation Track. Another great thing is the classes that you take through the program are highly transferable to any Missouri public 2- and 4-year institution, along with other colleges throughout the state of Missouri, private schools, and outside the state of Missouri. So highly transferable credit. So once you take it, you won't lose it. Academic benefits, and this is what I think the students that have participated in the past get the most benefit from, is that authentic college experience, being on a college campus, taking classes in a college setting with a college instructor. And past participants would definitely tell you it is different than taking a dual credit class sitting in your high school in a high school classroom versus on that college campus. So it gives you just some experience for that. Additionally, the classes that you can take through the Innovation Track, many of them will meet a graduation requirement. There are history and political science classes that you can take to meet your MGI and your American government. You can also get your senior English credit, and additionally there's math and science electives, practical arts, fine arts, and then lots of other elective options. Because they are college credit classes, all the courses receive a .666 weight on your high school GPA. Additionally, for those students that may already know what program they're interested in or want to finish their degrees quicker, this is a great way to accelerate that, especially for example, students may be interested in nursing or allied health, where there are some prerequisites that students have to complete before they can apply to those programs. You can start on those and maybe apply earlier or just finish earlier. So it just can accelerate your college plan. Flexible scheduling, our students love the fact that our students can have lots of flexibility with their classes at MCC. They are very compatible with other off-campus programs, so students can still participate in a program at STA, Herndon, or Cass. And of course, you can also participate in classes at your home high school. We do have pathways in business, criminal justice, and education. But a lot of our students just start on what we call their general ed requirements or general core that are typically required for any associate or bachelor degree program. Seniors, as I mentioned before, you do have the potential to take your full schedule on campus. And then one of the things I talked about with this flexible scheduling is we are on a college schedule. So college classes don't meet typically 5 days a week. They are typically 2 days a week or 3 days a week. So students could, example, let's say you're in the morning at your high school, in the afternoon you come out to MCC. You schedule your 2 classes to meet only on Tuesdays and Thursdays. That gives you Monday, Wednesday, Friday afternoon, maybe if you want to work extra hours or give you some extra study time. So like I said, you have lots of say or flexibility with when you want those classes scheduled. They're all compatible with sports, music, and other activities. They're MISA eligible classes, so it doesn't limit students from still participating in programs they want to at their home high school. And even if you're a full-time student at MCC Longview, you're still eligible to participate in those programs. These are just some, the next 2 slides will show you just some examples of what a potential schedule might look like. This is a student taking 2 classes or 6 credit hours. Just keep in mind, one college class is typically equal to 3 credit hours. There are some 5-hour classes if you take an advanced math or maybe a science class with the lab. Those classes are going to be equal to 5 credit hours, so you're meeting approximately 5 hours per week for that class. This, like I said, typically on average most of our students are taking 2 classes, and this might be an example of what your schedule might look. Here in the afternoon, this could also be, like I said, an STA program, Herndon, or a CAS program. This is an example of what it might look like for an afternoon in the Innovation Track program. You start your morning at your home high school or another off-campus program. We do provide an hour of travel in that schedule, and then you could get back out to MCC Longview for your classes. And this just gives you an example. You can see, like I said, most classes don't meet 5 days a week. Here's a Monday, Wednesday, Friday Criminal Justice 101 class from 12 to 12:50, and then they're done on Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 12:50, and then they've got their other 2 classes scheduled for Tuesday, Thursday, done at 1:45. Most of our classes are done at 1:45 to 1:50, so it gives students plenty of time to get back to their high schools if they're participating in after-school programs. Some great quotes from former participants in the program gives you an idea of what they feel they've received from participating in the program, whether it is a way to just get comfortable, dip your foot into that college experience, and take a class, take 2 classes just so you have a better feeling, build that comfort level, or for those students, like I said, that really are, know what they're wanting to do and they're trying to knock out some of those general ed requirements or meet those program prerequisites early. But again, it's different, and our students, you can see from their quotes that it is a different experience from taking a class in a high school setting versus on a college campus. Program admissions, you will be able to find this in the program planning guide with the other off-campus programs. Information, there's an enrollment checklist there that you can click on. It'll tell you step by step on how to apply for the program with live links. For doing so, you apply both as an MCC student and an Innovation Track application for the LSR7. There are some testing requirements, whether it's through ACT or the free AccuPlacer offered through MCC, which I can give students more information on that. And that will become forthcoming. We're hoping to potentially get a test offered in the high school setting. Also, we would meet with students and or parent guardian during enrollment conference, talk about high school schedules, high school graduation requirements, and classes you might want to enroll in through MCC. And then it talks about when that first tuition payment is due. Additionally, our website has lots of information on it as well. Again, a brochure which gives a quick overview, how to apply that same form I just showed you. And this is linked to the Career and Planning Guide, which gives you the listing of courses along with a course description for each and how they might count for high school credit. My information is here. Please feel free to reach out and ask me any questions that you might have. I will also be putting out more information. We'll be able to give a lengthier presentation and more information to students on February 4th. I am hosting with MCC Longview an open house for students interested in the Innovation Track program. So look to your high school website for more information regarding that.